Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I'm using a brand new palette by Morphe and it's in collaboration with Pony's Makeup. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So as always, I am priming my eyelids. I like to prime with concealer, but you can go ahead and prime with whatever works for you. And then afterwards, I always like to set it with some translucent powder. And my favorite part of this palette by far is the packaging. The packaging is absolutely stunning. And I love all the colors. And then I will show you guys what it looks like on the inside in the next clip. It's a lot of pastels, a lot of really light shades. So if you are deeper skin tone than I am, this palette might not work for you. But if you're of a lighter complexion, then this palette would definitely work for you. But I'll show you guys the look that I created with this palette. I was kind of overwhelmed at first, but inspired at the same time because of how many different colors there are. But I definitely knew that I wanted to play around with a bunch of them and incorporate them into this look. So first shade I'm going into is this blush pink shade. And I'm just going to be applying this as my transition color, just buffing this into my crease. And I just slowly that's not a word. I slowly built this shade and super easy to blend out. And I'm just doing a circular motion in my crease. Next, I'm going into this purple pastel shade and I'm going into my angled brush. And I'm just going to start to apply a line of definition in my crease and just focusing this on the inner half of my crease. So just drawing that line. And then right after we draw it, we're going to be blending it out. I'm using a smaller tapered brush. And I'm going back into that purple shade and just blending it out. This look is super easy to achieve. There's kind of a lot of steps, but they're really easy. So I feel like anybody can definitely achieve this look. So once I've blended out that line, it's definitely a very soft little color combination I have here, but I kind of like how soft it turned out. So once we have all the colors blended in the crease, we're going to be applying this concealer all over our lid. And I did kind of cut my crease a little bit and wing out that outer corner. And I also applied this concealer all over my lid to give me a nice even base for all the shades that we're going to be applying over top of it. And then I did, of course, set some translucent powder and just really pack that over top of that lid shade just to make sure that nothing moves around. So next up, I'm going back into the pastel purple shade and I'm going into it with a flat brush. And I feel like flat brushes are the best to kind of press pigment into the lid space. So that's what I'm just doing here. I'm just kind of packing it onto that inner corner of my lid and then just kind of doing tapping motions inward to kind of blend it out. But we are going to be applying 3 other shades onto our lid. So I'm going into this pastel blue shade and I'm just going to be applying this to the center of my lid and just really packing that on. And then after I've applied the pastel blue shade, I'm going to be going into the light kind of aqua shade and we're going to be applying that to the outer part of our lid. So I'm going into this shade right here, and I'm just going to be applying this all over and first just kind of laying it down on that outer lid, and then I'm going to be doing swiping motions to just kind of blend that into the other two shades. So next I'm going back into my angled brush and the pastel purple shade, and we're going to be applying a smoky wing to the outer part of our eye. So I'll show you guys. I'm just kind of applying that and attaching it to that winged concealer, and I think that this added a really nice touch to the look. Definitely more of an artistic look. I don't know if I would actually wear this out anywhere, but it was really fun to create. I love mixing a bunch of different shades together. This was definitely an artsy look for me. And then I decided to go back into the blush shade to just kind of blend out and diffuse that liner a little bit. And then I'm just going to be peeling off my tape. And for lashes today, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bora lashes. And these lashes are still in stock, so if you want to check out our lash company, the link will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm going into that blush shade and I'm just buffing that onto my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be going into the purple shade with my angled brush and getting that as close to my lower lashes as possible. And then blending those two shades together. And I felt like since this look was so soft, I wanted to keep the lower lash line very soft as well. So that's just about everything that I did for the lower lash line. And then I'm going to be grabbing my Mad Lash mascara by the Balm and just coating my lower lashes. And then I'm going to be applying my inner corner highlight. And there was plenty of inner corner highlight options in this palette, but I don't know, it just slipped my mind. So I ended up just picking up my Pop Beauty Gilded Light Highlight for my inner corner. But yeah, this is the finished look. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. A lot of you guys have been requesting us to do a different style of makeup, so this is definitely different than what we usually do. But yeah, I'm excited to see you guys in our next video, and I hope you guys have a good one. Bye!